Rise and shine, squeeze time. Today we're making red-eye gravy with bacon grease. This week what I'm going to do is I'm making some red-eye gravy. I'm kind of doing a hybrid. I'm kind of doing that, but here I cooked some bacon. I'm going to go ahead and take the bacon out. Put that on a plate. Cooking bacon's nice and easy. And then I'm going to just put a tiny bit of flour. Nice and worked around. We only want to use a little bit. We don't want to use too much. You can get all those bacon drippings and everything in here. And then we're going to make the rest just like red-eye gravy, to where get that mixed around. Turn up the heat a little bit here. Before we get that let's cook that just for a minute here. Get that browned up a little bit. We don't want any flour flavor in our gravy. We want to make it kind of a little bit thinner, like traditional red-eye gravy. So I'm just using bacon grease and flour. It's the only thing that's in here so far. And then once we get that cooked up, what we're going to do is we're going to add in half a cup of coffee, and then fourth a cup of beef broth, just like with the red-eye gravy, just all with bacon grease. For the traditional red-eye gravy, use butter, or you can use whatever fat you have on hand. Nice and sizzle up there. Kind of get that all nice and mixed around. All the aroma from that coffee hits that bacon grease. It smells so good. You need to do this at home. Turn that heat down. That's getting a little hot. And then we'll add in the beef broth last. Forms a nice red eye there. Mix that around. And then that's all you have to do is to get what did it take us? Maybe like 3 minutes? It'll be a real fast video this week. Put that aside. Turn that heat off. We're going to get a plate together. We're going to try it out. Now that we got the red-eye gravy done, I'm going to pour it over some grits and eggs and bacon and everything. See right there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to get me a little piece. I'm going to get me a little piece. It's so good. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I'll have the recipe down below. But today, I made red-eye gravy with bacon grease. It's extra good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.